We start with how to write comments in C++. There is a single line comment which can be written by using two forward slash sign at the start of comment. Then it ends with the line ending. Basically it ends when the line ends. Then there is multi-line comment. To write it, start with a forward slash, then this star sign, and don't forget to close it, otherwise everything after that till the end of code will be counted as comment. To close it, go in reverse order. Use the star sign, then one forward slash. Multi-line comment can be written in this way. This is second video. In first video, as we saw, main is always required for the code to start, otherwise it is showing an error as we can see here. As I told in previous video, using any other whole number other than return 0 like return 1 will still run the code as usual, but will say this contain an error even though nothing is wrong really. So we should stick to the convention, that is return 0 simply. Let us write the basic code as we did in first video. In this video, we will discuss these at the end, that is variable in C++. They are of three types: built-in, user-defined and derived. Then there are two scopes to declare them, that are global and local. Then there are some rules to declare variables in this language. Let me write a basic code. Here I simply used copy paste. I will use endl to give line break. We can give values to same data types in one line like this. I did a mistake, that was to write int both times. Only one time is enough for one line. Let me also write their sum like this. All this on one line by typing cout, but only once instead of multiple times, unlike I did before. Let me also declare one more variable, that is c, and we can give line break by using two methods. One is endl and one is by using backward slash n in between of normal text written in cout. Let me declare another data type, that is char for character. Here I did a mistake, that is didn't write semicolon at the end. Avoid these type of mistakes. Here you can see when I wrote two letters in character, the code worked successfully but gave a warning. We should only include one letter in our character data type, and it read the character at rightmost side. Another type of data type is float. It is for storing decimal values. One more data type is boolean, written as bool. Here true gives 1 as output and false gives 0 as output. Once again I forgot to add semicolon. Let me fix that. Here I am defining a function named sum. The void means this function will not return any value, and these bracket means it doesn't take any input. Here I am simply declaring a variable named d in int type, and currently I haven't given it any value, I just declared it. This bracket ends everything what is inside the function. Let us declare a variable of int type named glow. So int glow is equal to 5. This is a global variable based on scope. There are two variables, global and local. And let me write this line to give 5 as output, starting from cout insertion operator glow. Here I am calling the function named sum that I defined above. These brackets are what actually executes it, and the semicolon ends the statement. Now I am defining a local variable with same name, so int glow is equal to 9 and ending this line with a semicolon. And here the output is 9, which means two things: that local and global variable can have the same name, but local variable will take priority over global variable. Here I am updating the local variable, so now it will give 12 as output. But one thing, if I would have called glue in void, then it would still give 5 as output because it doesn't care about local variable defined somewhere else. It will first see if any local variable is defined in void itself, because it's void only in which we are calling it, and then it will see there is no local variable in void which is named as glow. Then it will see if there is any global variable, so there is one global variable with value as 5, so it will print 5. Now talking about rules to declare variables in C++. The first rule is the name of variable must start with a letter or underscore and nothing else. Later, after starting it, it may contain a number, and it must contain only numbers, letters and underscores. And the variable name is case sensitive, means small and capital with same name will be treated as different variable. And C++ reserved keywords can't be used as a variable name like int, void, return. It must have a data type like int, bool, char. And C++ reserved keywords can't be used as a variable name like int, void, return can't be variables. And the variable must have a data type like int, bool, char, float, etc. And another rule is no spaces are allowed in the name of variable. It must be continuous. And one thing is, I don't remember, but it is a very large limit. So you can use big names of variable without any problems. Like here we used A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, which are variable named with one character only. So there is a large limit on number of characters. So you can give big names to your variable. There is no problem. Now a variable is a container to hold data. Like you simply can't tell the computer 1, 2, 3 are some values. You also have to mention the data type, means what type of variable it is, and you have to give name to the variable. You have to tell the computer like this, that int a is equal to 1, bool b is equal to true, and like this only. Finally, there are three data types in C++. The first one is built-in data type like int, bool, float, double, char. The second one is user-defined data type like struct, union, and this one I don't know the pronunciation, but it is spelled as enum. So there are three: struct, union, enum is the third one, and the third is derived data type like array, function, pointer. The second video ends here.